Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Candace, aka Diamond Candy if you are new here, and if you are a returning loyal subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in again. You are a real one. So today I'm going to be doing a quick review of the new Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Hydrating Longwear Foundation, and I am super excited. I've already tried the foundation, so this isn't going to be like a first impressions, but it's just going to be showing you guys what it looks like on my skin. I have normal, combination, I would say like a combination skin type, and my big issue isn't oil, it's just like texture. So I'm going to show you guys how it works on my skin, what shade I use, etc, etc, etc. So if you are interested, then stay tuned. My eyebrows are already done. I am going to leave everything that I used in the description box below if you guys are interested. So now I'm just going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch Concealer in the color 370 to kind of cover up some of my red spots. That's another thing that I deal with, is like redness. I actually forgot to go in with the primer, so I'm going to do that on top of this concealer. I know that that's not the way that I should do it, but I forgot. So I'm going to go in with the Soft Silk Pro Filt'r Hydrating Primer base. So yeah, okay, so that feels so good. The primer is amazing. Like, I love for my skin to just feel hydrated before I put my foundation on. For other people, I don't know, people with more oily skin, they might not like that feel, but I just love the feel of like just super glowy and hydrated skin before I go in with my foundation. So that definitely disrupted like the concealer that I put on my face, so I'm just gonna put it on again. Okay, so now that that is all blended out, I'm gonna go in with the foundation. So I actually received 4 different shades in the mail, but the 2 that I decided to stick with was the 370 and the 345. And 345 is more of my shade. After about 30 minutes, this foundation does oxidize. I noticed that with the first foundation that was launched, it oxidized so bad, and that was another reason that I didn't like it, because I couldn't find a good match. Sorry for like the dinging in the background, girl. People is coming in and out. So I decided on the 345 all around, and then I'm just going to use the 370 around like the darker parts of my face, so mainly my forehead. So I'm just going to mix them basically together. So now I'm going to go in with the Kabuki Buff foundation brush, and this is actually my first time using this. I was using this sponge before, but I wanted to see how this would work. I definitely feel like with the sponge, it kind of soaks up some of that foundation, so you get less coverage. But with this brush, is really making sure that all the product is going on your skin. So I like that. I like that. And I'm in love with this foundation. I've been using it ever since I got it, and that's a lot coming from me because I don't like a lot of foundations. A lot of foundations do weird things on my skin. Like I said, I have texture, I have pore issues, so like some foundations really just make my skin look worse and like more unflattering. But I realized that the more moisturizing the foundation is, the better it finishes on my skin, and this foundation is honestly like perfect, man. It's perfect. So now I'm gonna go in with the Stalk'r bronzer, also from Fenty Beauty, in the color Caramel Cutie, and this is currently my favorite bronzer. I've been using it. This is the only bronzer that I've been using, and I'm just gonna go in before I do my concealer with a little bit of bronzer. And for concealer, I'm using the Fenty Beauty concealer in 350, and this is a really good highlight shade para me. And I'm gonna go in with the Precision Sponge. I think that's what it's called. What is it called? I really like this concealer because it's nice and thick, and I actually really like this color too. but they talking about it's crease free. I know you lying, because my under eyes tend to crease and it doesn't really, you know, make them disappear. But maybe I just have a severe case. I don't know, but I know you lying. Alright guys, so this is what my face is looking like. I put on my mascara and my highlight and everything. And like I already said, I'm already in love with this foundation. Like, I've been using it ever since I got it. I haven't used anything else. And I think it works really well with the other products I've been using, like the Huda Beauty, I can't say that, Huda Beauty powder and the Sephora Microsmooth powder that I incorporated into my routine or whatever, and it works really well with those. Like I said, I love this foundation. I've been using it non-stop since I got it. I haven't used any of my other foundations, and I'm just in love with the finish. I'm in love with the way that my skin looks. I feel like I look less textured and just like, it looks so smooth and it's bomb. So it drops on August 15th if you guys want to try it. That's when it is in stores, in Sephora, and online. So make sure you guys pick you up some. And that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.